They're opportunities, not problems. Let's do a Kaizen on that. What step are you at in the process? PDCA it. Where's the red X? Do we need to get a black belt on this? There's a lot of jargon and acronyms out there in industry when it comes to problem solving. But one thing we understand is that to improve performance in our processes, we need to solve problems as they occur. Hey team, it's week 20, time for another business checkup, and this week we're talking about problem solving. There's a lot of terms in various scenarios related to improving a process. Many of the tools that we apply in progressive management or lean management really help us to identify or expose the problem, but then we have to take steps to correct it. So regardless of the methodology, I've seen several that can be effective in industry. DMAIC, 8D, PDCA, Kata, Toyota's 8 steps. The important thing is that we have a common approach, and it begins with a clear definition of the problem. A problem occurs when we want to have what we want to have happen and what actually happened don't match. Or as we say, the actual condition doesn't match the expected condition or target. From there, we need to gather data and observe the process, speak to users that are executing that process on a regular basis, and they may have ideas on what's leading to the gap in performance. From there, you can identify or form a hypothesis about what's contributing to the problem and then confirm it as a cause. Once confirmed on a cause, we can reduce or eliminate the undesirable effect with a process change. Based upon what we learn from experimenting with different solutions, we decide on whether or not we want to update the standard, or maybe create a standard for the first time. So what is the problem-solving method used in your organization? I encourage you this week to think about defining a common method for solving problems. When you walk through a challenge, a gap in performance with your team, can you use a common methodology with common language? That way you can coach and develop others to do the same. A consistent process leads to consistent results. The same goes with our problem-solving approach. In the long run, as you build your capability and build more people, develop more people that can solve problems, you'll find you as a leader can improve less and get better results. We'll see you next week.